Looks like you've got some Cheeto in you.
Do what? I'm not sure what it is.
Ooh, Dexter? Yeah. Chee mix? We're not exactly sure what he's mixed with, but I'm pretty sure he's a little chick.
It looks like
Chihuahua pit?
mixed with maybe a terrier or...
I was thinking maybe Chihuahua pit,
Oh, yeah.
because he's got kind of that
He does
face.
have a pit face. Yep. And coloring, too.
Uh-huh.
It's a funny mix, though.
Yeah.
A chit. I've never heard that.
So I'm like, yeah, that's Dexter. He's our little chick. Yeah.
I like that one.
You didn't hang on to your bone before you lose it.
Oh my God, they're hysterical.
He's silly.
Cheeto was a streetling, and he, after he came to us, he puked up a water balloon.
What?
He puked up a water balloon.
Oh,
Must have puked it up.
Yeah.
that's
That could
dangerous.
have
Oh,
been
this
bad
is
on the
beautiful.
other direction.
Oh, totally. This, I love.
Yes, perfect.
Are you recording it?
Oh, I was just taking pictures.
I'm recording it.
This one, I'm going to send a picture.
I'm recording it. Did you hear the hiss? The attack.
Remember that the kitty on the bottom is not necessarily the one that's losing the fight.
That's true.
Okay, that didn't quite work.
Fight, fight, fight.
Dylan, don't make it too long of a video. Stop it and start a new one.